Hello, today I would like to discuss about our topic, which is the influence of taste preferences, food choices, healthy lifestyle, peer influence, and financial self-control on food purchasing behavior among students at University Malaysia Sabah. For the introduction, this study aims to explore factors influencing food purchasing behavior among students at University Malaysia, focusing on taste preferences, food choices, healthy lifestyle, peer influence, and financial self-control. For the background of this study aims to understand how these factors affect students' food choices amidst a rapidly growing food technology industry in Malaysia, where diverse food options are available.
For the problem statement, which is the theoretical research problem, this research looks at why in the University Malaysia Sabah students make a certain food choices. It focuses on 5 main factors, which is the taste preferences, food choices, healthy lifestyle, peer influence, and financial self-control. The aim is to enhance behavioral science theories and focus on food consumptions and healthy psychology. For the practical research problem, the goal is to improve students' health and well-being. By studying these factors, the research provides ideas for creating programs to encourage healthier eating, reduce peer pressure for unhealthy food, and help students manage their money better. And this can support universities and student groups in making campus life healthier and happier.
The first research objective is to examine the taste preference on food purchasing behavior among students in University Malaysia Sabah. The second one is to examine the influence of food choices on food purchasing behavior among students in University Malaysia Sabah. The third one is to examine the influence of healthy lifestyle on food purchasing behavior among students in University Malaysia Sabah. The fourth one is to examine the influence of peers on food purchasing behavior among students in University Malaysia Sabah. Lastly, to examine the influence of financial self-control on food purchasing behavior among students in University Malaysia Sabah.
So the first is quantitative research design. This research uses a quantitative approach, collecting numerical data through tools like Google Forms with multiple choice, Likert, and rating scales. This aim is to summarize patterns, rank priorities, and predict outcomes, providing insights into key relationships within the data. The second is correlation approach. A correlation approach examines the relationship between variables, between independent variables like taste, preferences, and financial self-control analyzed against food purchasing behavior. Tools like PLS and SPSS ensure robust statistical analysis, validating the strength and direction of these relationships.
Now, let's move on to our reliability test results. We used Cronbach's alpha to measure the internal consistency of our constructs, ensuring that the items within each variable reliable measure the same concept. Here are the key findings. Taste preferences scored 0.980, which indicates excellent reliability. Food choices scored 0.978, also indicating excellent reliability. Healthy lifestyle scored 0.984, show a strong internal reliability. Meanwhile, peer influence also had the highest score at 0.989, reflecting very high reliability. And lastly, financial self-control scored 0.985, also within the excellent range.
Here we present the mean and standard deviation for each variable. For example, taste preference has a mean of 3.79 and a standard deviation of 1.108. Indicating moderate agreement with some variation. Similarly, other variables like food choices and healthy lifestyle show consistent averages with some variability among respondents. Moving on, here's a summary of our hypothesis testing. H1 and H3 are supported, showing significant relationships between taste preference and healthy lifestyle with food purchasing behavior. The remaining hypotheses H2, H4 and H5 are not supported as their t-values and p-values indicate no significant effects. The table highlights this result for better clarity. Thank you.
We move to the discussion part, which is discussion is divided by two. So the first one is discussion on analysis result, which is the test preference and food choice were the most significant. It's reflecting individual preference and food availability. A healthy lifestyle encourage better decision per influence highlighted social dynamic and financial self-control, show varying level of money management skill by the UMS student. So the second one is discussion on hypothesis testing, which is all 5 hypotheses were supported and it significantly impacted food purchasing behavior, which is this finding show that purchasing decisions are shaped by personal, social and financial factors by the UMS student.
In a nutshell, this research discussed the analysis results. The key findings for this research is test preferences and food choices were the most important factors. Secondly, students with a healthy lifestyles made better food choices. And number 3, peer influence and social settings significantly shape choices. Last but not least, financial self-control played a crucial role in purchasing habits. That is all from us. Thank you very much.